I'm going to show you how to add captions to your video. It's never been easier than with the built-in auto caption function right within CapCut. It's going to be a short tutorial because it's so simple a baby can do it. Let's get started. Hello creators. We're going to make a quick short video today on how to add captions to your videos. So first we need a video. We'll just add this one here, drag it to our timeline. This particular video doesn't have any audio, and you need audio to create captions. Now, if you had a video that you've already recorded, you would simply drag it down to the timeline, click on text, auto captions. But in our case, we don't have any audio, so we're going to create some. We're going to drag this text down to our timeline. We're going to paste some text in there that I've already written out over in our text box here. We'll add this text. Then what we're going to do is click text to speech. So we click on that. Then we pick one of these here that we want to use. In this case, I'll use Arthur. And what we're going to do is click on that and then click on start to record, start reading. So we've done that. It's applied the speech already, so let's see how that sounds.
The auto caption feature on CapCut is a remarkable addition that significantly
So that sounds pretty good. Now what we're going to do is add our captions. We can hide this text layer here. We don't need that showing. So now all we do is we click on auto caption. We choose the language we want, English in this case, and we simply click on create. So we'll let it do its thing, and we'll pause this for a minute, and we'll come back when it's done. Okay, as you can see, it's done generating our captions. So we'll play this back again. First of all, we'll change the font. We can increase the size of it. We can put them where we want. And now we'll see what that sounds like.
The auto caption feature on CapCut is a remarkable addition that significantly enhances the accessibility and user experience.
So there you have it. We've automatically created our captions. Pretty simple. That's all I got for you today, guys. Until next time.